As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two grills, right? The Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Performance Series. They seem pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The Weber is more compact, like a portable grill. It's only got one burner, putting out 8,500 BTUs and a small cooking area of 189 square inches. The Char-Broil, on the other hand, is a full-sized grill.
Right. The Char-Broil is much bigger. 4 burners totaling 36,000 BTUs and a 475 square inch cooking area. Plus, it has a 10,000 BTU side burner. That's way more cooking space.
Exactly! If you're grilling for a crowd, the Char-Broil wins, hands down. But the Weber is designed for portability. It runs on those small propane cylinders.
True. Weight-wise, the Weber's only 30 pounds. Easy to move around. The Char-Broil is a hefty 85 pounds. Not something you're taking camping.
And the dimensions reflect that too. The Weber is much smaller, while the Char-Broil is a full-size cart grill.
What about the grates? I see the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron, and the Char-Broil also has porcelain-coated cast iron grates.
Yeah, both have porcelain-coated cast iron, so cleaning should be pretty similar. The Char-Broil has LED illuminated control knobs, which is a nice touch for night grilling.
Oh, fancy! Okay, so the Weber is about $259, and the Char-Broil is about $370. So a price difference of about $110.
Yep, you're paying for the larger size and extra burner on the Char-Broil, but both have electronic ignition for easy starts.
So if you want something portable for tailgating or small cookouts, the Weber is a solid choice.
Definitely. But if you're regularly grilling for a family or hosting parties, the Char-Broil, and with its larger cooking area and side burner, is the better option. It really depends on your needs.
Makes sense. Thanks.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.